Alright, so this is the unboxing of the ReGrow MD Laser 272 by HairMax. This is a product that I bought because, like many other men my age, I'm in my early 30s now, or starting to become mid 30s actually. And I'm starting to lose my hair, and unfortunately, you know, this is one of those things that a lot of guys just have to deal with. We have to deal with losing our hair and stuff, and I've been thinking of ways to prevent this. So one of the options, besides taking the finasteride pills and stuff like that, which has side effects, is to use this laser hair therapy thing, which I haven't tried before, but I'm always willing to give it a chance to see if it works or not. But yeah, this is a laser cap, has 272 lasers apparently. This is a very expensive device. It's like $600 US. So they do have like money back guarantee though. So yeah, I'm gonna see if it works or not within 1 or 2 months. I think it's like 60 days or something like that, and get my money back if it doesn't work, because this is an expensive device. But yeah, if it actually does what it says it's going to do, which is stimulate hair growth, then I think it's worth it. But yeah, that's what it says. Stimulate new hair growth, activate hair follicles, reverse thinning process, increase density and fullness, restore hair growth cycle. So yeah, if it does all those things, then it's definitely worth the money, right? So yeah, this is just going to be the unboxing, and I'll give you guys a review maybe after a few months of this. But yeah, it says this is by the company HairMax, which I believe is the original company that makes these kind of devices. Laser hair therapy for both women and men. Of course, hair loss is more common in men, but some women have it too. Then your type of skin, guess is clinically tested. It's FDA approved, so I'm willing to give it a shot. So yeah, it's the back of the box. Whoops. Yeah, it says this is the before and after. Apparently, I'm not sure how accurate these are. I mean, it is cost effective when you consider that a lot of people pay money to get hair transplants and stuff like that, and that's really expensive, right? Okay, it works through a process of photobiostimulation, stimulating hair follicle cellular growth with wavelength laser light energy, safe and effective treatment. So yeah, and it says what it includes. So let's give it a shot. Let's see what's inside the box here. Oh, it's this way. Okay, so yeah, take off the cover, and then this ReGrow MD, and this is the laser cap itself. And then a bunch of other stuff in the box, Amazon stuff, 2-year warranty, okay. And then laser hair therapy, best practices, be patient. So we're supposed to use this for, apparently it's like 15 minutes for 3 days a week. So we have to, at the time indicating your usual manual, do not skip treatments. Okay, free of styling products. Okay. And you have to keep using this. If you stop using it, then it's not going to work. Basically, it's just like brushing your teeth. You got to keep using it, I guess, for the rest of your life if you want to have the hair therapy stuff work. I'm here to help. Here's a user manual. So, let's see, benefits. Yep, this is I guess for different skin types. Does it say anyone with Asian descent? Okay, so very fair with blonde, fair with any hair. I guess it'll be this type 3. I'm guessing. I guess that's where I am. Then left with a summary clinical studies on men. I wonder how many studies they did. How many people did they do it on? 90% of men saw an increase in hair counts. Okay. How many people did they test it on? I wonder. And clinical studies for women as well. Okay, I actually use it for 30 minutes. Yeah, okay. 30 minutes for 3 times a week. I see. Okay, it should be spaced out for every other day. So you can't use it every day, you have to use it every other day. So like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I see. And yeah, okay. This is the different parameters of the lasers. Say it's safe. Okay. Yeah, okay. So yeah, and this is it. So yeah, this is it. Comes with its own carrying case and stuff with a nice handle. I mean, I guess if you have to use this for the rest of your life 3 times a week, then you're probably going to be traveling with it as well. So it's nice to give you a carrying case for it. You can fit it into a backpack, I guess. It's a little bit big, but you can still fit it into a backpack. Alright. Here it is. I mean, it seems just like any other cap, right? Like a typical baseball cap, but I know it's more than that because actually, no, this is a typical baseball cap. What am I thinking? Yes, this actually is just a typical baseball cap. I mean, it could be any cap. It's this thing that's more important. This is the laser stuff. Comes separately. Okay, I see. So perhaps you can actually fit this onto... It's really just this. This is the special part. So you can actually use almost... I think you can use almost any baseball cap. You don't have to use this one. You can use any baseball cap and just put this inside, and I think it'll work. So this is a special one with 272 lasers. It's going to stimulate hair growth. And this is a USB-A connector right here. USB-A connector for charging. Yep. Any charger would work for that, I think. Let's look at what's inside here. Okay, this is a AC adapter right here, which comes with a micro USB. So this is a micro USB charger. Interesting. Okay, so it's actually, okay, USB. Okay, so this is actually a wall charger for a micro USB. And then you have this pack here. And I think you had to charge using this battery pack. I see. You had to carry this DC out thing. DC out 5 volts, 2 amperes. DC input 5 volt, 2 amperes. So I'm guessing, yep, put this micro, it's kind of a weird setup, but you kind of reminds me of my HMD headsets for some reason that I had before. But yeah, you had to connect all these multiple devices together and use it. So you have this charger, wall charger here, which is a micro USB connector, and then you connect the micro USB to this battery pack thing, which has its own power, and then you connect this one to this input, and ooh, look at that, it lights up. And yeah, I guess that's how it works. You turn it off like that. Okay, so this is the on button. I see. This is the on button, and then this is turned off. And I'm guessing what you had to do is just take your baseball cap and just put it inside here. You don't even need to have the baseball cap, really. It's just, you can put this directly on your head. The baseball cap is just to make it more comfortable, I guess, for cosmetic things. And you can use any baseball cap, I'm guessing. Alright, so I guess this is how it looks like. And yep, let's put this cap on, and I'm going to try it out 3 times a week for several months before I can make any kind of conclusion on how it works. So that's it. I guess I will report back in a few months and tell you guys how it works out. But that is the ReGrow MD by HairMax Laser 272. I believe this is the highest amount of lasers that they have. They have other products which have, which is like a hairband, which has less lasers. They're more affordable, but they don't work as fast, I don't think. Or they don't cover your whole head, I think. Yeah, they only cover like one section of your head. They don't cover the whole head. So yeah, that's why this one's a little bit more expensive. So that's it, guys. That's the unboxing. ReGrow MD by HairMax. If you're interested to take a look, if you have hair loss problems as well, you can always check this one out. And, oh yeah, this has a carrying case as well. Nice to have a fancy carrying case for my little battery pack for my laser hair cap here. Okay, there it is. And that's it in the cell phone, the old school cell phone carrying case. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.